Hello! If your call center headsets also have worn out and get old AirPod cushions, then in this video I will show you how to easily restore your headset pads, step by step installing a new replacement AirPods. Today's headset is the Accutone TB910, but this guide can be used to any call center headsets. The first task is to remove the old AirPods, which can be simply pulled off. Next, measure the diameter of the headphone air cap housing, so you know the correct size of the AirPods you need. Once you know the size, order new replacement AirPods with the same diameter. The link to new pads is in the video description. When ordering replacement AirPods, you can choose between leather and foam types, which one you like better. To put back new AirPods, first stretch the edge of the AirPod. Then place some part of the AirPod edge onto the headphone housing. Hold the attached part with one hand while pulling the rest of the AirPod edge over the headphone housing with your other hand. Do the same for the other side, and that's it. You restored your call center headset for just few dollars, and you will be able to enjoy much more comfortable calls. Good luck!